Welcome back to the quiz. In today's quiz you have to guess different birds across the globe. You got 27 questions and 5 seconds to guess each. Alright, let's get started. Crow. Crows are known for their high intelligence. Duck. Many duck species are migratory, traveling great distances during seasonal migrations. Eagle. Eagles have incredibly sharp vision. Quail. Quails are known for their distinctive bob-white call. Toucan. Toucans are known for their vocalizations. They produce a variety of calls and croaking sounds. Swan. Swans are known for their long lifespans, which can exceed 20 years in the wild and even longer in captivity. Woodpecker. Woodpeckers can rotate their heads up to 270 degrees. Owl. Owls have incredible hearing abilities. They also have excellent vision. Vulture. Vultures play an essential ecological role as nature's cleanup crew. Flamingo. Flamingos are considered some of the oldest bird species, with fossil evidence dating back millions of years. Hummingbird. Hummingbirds are among the smallest birds in the world. Sparrow. Sparrows have been symbolically significant in various cultures, such as simplicity. Pigeon. Pigeons have an excellent sense of direction and are known for their homing abilities. Canary. Canaries are popular as pet birds due to their vibrant colors and enchanting songs. Myna. Mynas are accomplished vocal mimics and can imitate a wide range of sounds, including human-made noises. Ostrich. Despite their large size, ostriches are incredibly fast runners. Pelican. One of the most recognizable features of pelicans is their large, expandable throat pouch. Kingfisher. Kingfishers are exceptional fish hunters. Cuckoo. Female cuckoos lay their eggs in the nests of other bird species and leave the host birds to raise their chicks. Crane. Cranes are known for their strong family bonds. Goldfinch. Goldfinches are excellent songbirds. They have a cheerful, warbling song that is often described as perchicory. Hen. Hens are known to be attentive and protective mothers. Macaw. Macaws are playful birds and enjoy toys, puzzles, and interaction. Seagull. Many seagull species are migratory and travel significant distances during seasonal migrations. Penguin. Penguins are incredibly agile and fast swimmers. Swallow. Swallows primarily feed on flying insects, such as mosquitoes, flies, and bees. Rooster. Roosters are famous for their crowing, which is a loud and distinctive sound. Parrot. Parrots are among the most intelligent birds and are known for their problem-solving abilities and complex social behaviors. How many you got right? Comment your score, subscribe for more interesting videos.